Hi guys, Guillermo is here. Welcome back to the Revit architectural training tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the copy tool and all its features. Let's begin. In this tutorial, I'm going to show how to use the copy tool. Let's start by copying one element. First, select the element we wish to copy. Then on the ribbon menu, select Copy from the Modify Panel menu tab. Before copying the element, have a look at the options bar. The copy tool offers us some additional options, such as Constrain, Disjoin, and Multiple. For now, we will focus on Constrain and Multiple options. Constrain, this option constrains your cursor movement to either the horizontal or vertical. Multiple, this option allows you to make copies of the same element, without having to restart the copy tool each time. For this example, I'm going to leave both the constraints and multiple options turned on. To copy an element, first, select it, click on the Copy button at the Modify Panel tab. Select the start point, and then move your cursor to pick a point where you want the copy created. Please note that as you move your cursor, Revit tells you the actual distance of the displacement between the starting point and the end point. Click your left mouse button to create a copy of the element. Now, because we had the multiple option checked, we can simply carry on clicking our left mouse button to create further copies at different locations. I'm going to copy the same element again, but this time I'll uncheck the constraint option. Select the object, and then click Copy on the Modify menu tab. Click a start point and then a destination point. Notice how Revit also shows you the angle of the displacement as well as its length. Similar to the Move tool, we can click to select the destination point or type in the numeric distance on your keyboard. Hit the Enter key on your keyboard to confirm. Upon hitting the Enter key, a copy of the source element is created at that specific distance from the start point. If you have the multiple option turned on for this operation, you can simply go on creating further copies as required.